Let's talk short ribs. You must have picked up, I love cooking meat on the bone. And short ribs are just that. Look at this too. Same cut of meat, only this one is cut alongside the bone, and this one is cut through the bone. This, cut very thin, is known as a flanken rib, also known as a Korean-style short rib. In Argentina, we call it tira de asado, or grilling strips. I'm gonna take care of this ones later. But this, follow me. Since the most popular way of calling them is Korean short ribs, I am giving them a Korean rub. Gochujang, or beautiful chili paste. For extra tartness, some apple cider vinegar. Sesame oil for some umami. A touch of soy. And for extra sweetness, some golden brown sugar. They go in very fast. A quick toss. This is not a marinade, it's a coating. Now, let's talk braising. To start a braising, color. That's the key. For color, a hot pan and oozing olive oil. It's smoking, it's perfect. Shake off. And now let them be. The key here is to brown all three sides. Don't worry about the bone. It's gonna fall off. Awesome. Look at that. Right? And there they go. Nice golden mirepoix. And with this one, the braising liquid. And how am I gonna start? With Argentinian Malbec. The acid on the wine and the alcohol, they just pick everything up. Beef flavor with beef stock. Thyme. Some dry mushrooms. My secret here, espresso. This is gonna simmer, it's gonna go in the oven, it's gonna braise away. It's gonna be epic. Now follow me, because this is action-packed. This Korean-style short ribs, super high grill, okay? I want major impact. Lots of flame, lots of things happening here. That sugar is gonna caramelize. Korean steam bath. Back into the same bowl, okay? Right here. That is what Korean-style ribs look like. They're chewy, but fall off the bone. Look, no knife, no problem. Braised short ribs, Korean short ribs, Malbec, and a lot of cooking.
Cheers, chef.
Cheers to beef.
Here's to beef, yes.